If you are a cinematographer, a freelance filmmaker, a high-end commercial video producer, or anyone currently planning to invest your hard-earned money into a professional cinema camera, you need to freeze exactly where you are, stop scrolling through gear forums, and listen to this with absolute, undivided attention. A massive, historic shockwave is tearing through Sony's elite manufacturing facilities in Japan, and the highly classified data leaking out right now is about to completely shatter the professional filmmaking industry. For years, the original Sony FX3 has been the undisputed king of the compact cinema world, serving as the backbone for countless Hollywood productions, high-budget music videos, and top-tier creator channels. It was a masterpiece, but it also left filmmakers hitting a hard ceiling when it came to true high-resolution flexibility, advanced internal RAW pipelines, and AI-driven color accuracy. Right now, confirmed international supplier manifests, sensor fabrication orders, and deep internal code analysis have exposed a game-changing reality. Sony is not just updating their flagship compact cinema line, they are engineering an absolute hardware weapon. The upcoming Sony FX3 II is undergoing a radical, ground-up architectural rebuilding that is specifically designed to completely obliterate traditional production workflows and redefine the boundaries of handheld cinema forever. The absolute biggest financial mistake you can make right now is panic buying a high-end camera today, thinking that next-generation professional tech will only give you a minor, incremental % bump in performance. It will not. We are talking about a monumental technological paradigm shift. If you spend your production budget on current-generation hardware right now, the exact second this new beast drops, your camera will feel dramatically outdated, resembling a relic from an older era of digital imaging. Think about how the industry completely shifted when global shutters and internal AI processing first made their way into massive, hyper-expensive studio rigs. That precise level of elite, disruptive cinema force is now being condensed directly into a lightweight, modular, handheld cage-free body. Internal design schematics reveal that Sony is completely tossing out the old processing infrastructure to accommodate a computational engine and data pipeline that many engineers believed were physically impossible to stabilize in a compact form factor. They are building a machine that sits directly on the bleeding edge of engineering, pushing data capture limits to a point that will completely rewrite how cinematic stories are told and processed. Let us strip away the corporate secrecy and look directly at the most mind-blowing transformation hitting the absolute core of the Sony FX3 II. The sensor architecture. The original model captured the world with a brilliant 12-megapixel sensor that excelled in low light, but it forced filmmakers to accept a significant trade-off: a complete lack of cropping flexibility in post-production and no ability to deliver native 8K files for modern high-resolution master delivery. Sony's engineering response for the second-generation model is total, uncompromised overkill. Leaked component manifests from elite sensor fabrication plants confirm that the FX3 II is graduating to a newly developed, high-speed stacked Exmor RS full-frame sensor, pushing an incredible 33 megapixels. But this is not just a standard bump in resolution. It is a complete revolution in data velocity. By utilizing a stacked sensor design with integrated memory layers directly behind the pixels, the readout speed of this sensor is